Today we're going to be talking about Coti crypto and why it could be one of the next huge crypto projects. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Coti coins you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I know this is a crypto video, but if you guys are interested in getting some free money, then go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit just $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. You can literally just take it out right away if you want, but I would suggest staying on the app as it is a really good app. You're going to be able to follow us on there and basically see all of our trades, why we make the trades, and our public stock portfolio. So go ahead and follow us and get signed up with the first link in the description. Really quickly, this is what public looks like. You can see that we give updates on different stocks. Whenever we sell a stock, it tells you how long we invested for, how much percentage we made, and then also you can see our portfolio, long-term portfolio, and our watch list. So if any of that sounds good to you, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. But anyways, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, which is going to be Coti coin. So if you guys were not aware, we actually do have two people that run this channel, and Kyle did make a video on Coti crypto about a day ago, and thank you guys so much for the support on that. If you guys cannot see, we got about 4,000 views on that, so thank you guys so much for the support, and yeah, that's why we made another one today, and I'm just going to be giving kind of my thoughts on the crypto as well. But anyways, the first thing that I like to do whenever I wake up on a Saturday is go to StockTwits and see what stocks and cryptocurrencies are trending. We're not sponsored by StockTwits or Lunar Crush or anything else in this video except for Public. First link in the description, get your free stock. But yeah, so basically you can see here which cryptocurrencies are trending. Coti-X or Coti is basically the #1 trending cryptocurrency on here today, which is very, very awesome. It was also trending during the weekdays. So it's been trending for a while now, and obviously the price has been going up. Coti is the 3rd most added to watch lists in the last 24 hours. So overall, Coti is doing extremely well with the social investing activity. As you can see here, if you come to Lunar Crush, this is basically just for altcoins. Basically just doesn't involve Bitcoin, because anything else other than Bitcoin is pretty much considered an altcoin. But yeah, you can see here that Coti is trending number 3 here. So you can see here, when you take a look at the social metrics, everything is up, everything is green. Whenever everything is green over here, you can pretty much expect the cryptocurrency to be doing well. When you come over here to the social volume, this blue line is actually how much it's being talked about. So we have had recent spikes, obviously, in how much Coti crypto is being talked about, and obviously the purple line is the price, which has been going up as well and tested 60 cents today. We're going to be going over technical analysis. We're going to be going over some news that it just got. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. So here we are on Bazinga.com, and we can actually see that Coti rides to all-time high after taking first steps in DeFi over Cardano. So basically that is a bit of a confusing title that they did write. They're actually trying to build with Cardano. They're not trying to, take over Cardano. They're trying to work with Cardano. So yeah, here we are. You can see that Coti soared 43% to 56 cents over 24 hours leading up to press time. This was yesterday, obviously. Coti touched an all-time high of $60 earlier on Thursday. $60, 60 cents on Thursday. On Thursday, Coti said that it would be partnering with Ardana to bring stablecoin crypto to fiat payments aimed at the Cardano community. So this is extremely good that they're trying to expand their business by partnering with Ardana. This is from the CEO of Coti. Today, Coti is doing its first steps in DeFi over Cardano, which we believe will be huge. We are happy to collaborate with the remarkable team of Ardana to bring new Cardano native assets to ADA Pay and scale up their operations. So just like I said, they are trying to basically expand their business, and that is why they are trying to actually work with Cardano to get native assets to ADA Pay. But yeah, here we are. In April, Cardano Foundation said Coti would provide its easy to integrate payment gateway ADA Pay for various organizations looking to accept and manage ADA payments. So basically, this is just another way why Cardano is going to be doing good. We just made a video on Cardano, or I did, and this is why Coti will also be doing good, is because they are expanding. They're not just staying with what they have, they're ever expanding. So yeah, at the time it was announced that the first ADA Pay integration for the Cardano ecosystem would facilitate ADA payments to international nonprofit organizations, Save the Children. Now with the addition of decentralized stablecoin payments to ADA Pay, users would be able to purchase goods using stablecoins wherever the payment mechanism is accepted. So they're going to have to, obviously get that out to different places to actually start using it, but that is what they'll be trying to do. Okay, now we can come over here to coinmarketcap.com to kind of get an overview of what's happening with this. So their market cap is actually a very low market cap. It is only at about 491 million, and very interesting thing to kind of note is that the volume is actually higher than the market cap. So their whole market cap is about 500 million right now, but there's been $672 million transacted within Coti. So that means obviously a lot of price movement, a lot of price action going on with it. If we come over here to historical data, you can see that normally Coti would be transacting anywhere from 50 million or changing hands 50 million to 200 million. But since this whole thing was announced, it has been doing about 600 million every day. Okay, now we can come over here for a bit of technical analysis on Coti. So something to think about is that the volume is very high right now, but the RSI is only about 30. So basically the RSI is a way to tell whether a asset or security is overbought or oversold. So you can see here when it's at 70, that means that it is overbought. It's most likely going to come back down at some point. When it is at the 30 level, usually it's oversold and people are probably going to start buying it back up soon. This MACD is kind of a trend indicator, and you can see that it is still trending down because when the blue line is under the orange line, that indicates a downward trend. Now let's think of where it's going to possibly see some resistance and support. You can see that there's a big resistance at the 66-cent level, and we have a support here at about the 49-cent level, almost to the 50-cent level. So whichever one it breaks first is most likely going to dictate the trend for the next couple of weeks. I would assume that we probably come down to the 50-cent area before trying to test this 66-cent resistance line again. Now there is the volume to back this up to be able to get above 66 cents. We will just have to see that soon, but overall with this RSI sitting at about 30, I do feel pretty good about the trend about to start. Will most likely start going back up within the next couple of hours. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today for Coti coin. If I did miss anything, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to as many people that comment as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys could please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, it will definitely help grow our channel, and that's what we're trying to do in order to get you guys more altcoin and stocks content. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.